Well, I thought I'd do another video to kind of show a different house that we put electricity in. This is the house of Eduardo Ramon Moreno Reina. And we're just, I don't know, we're a little outside of Charcas. I'm not exactly sure which direction. This is a really kind of interesting place. They have a lot of horses and 4 really cute puppies. And their daughter was born with some sort of birth defect, and so they don't have goats because this is kind of their courtyard, because it takes a lot of time. You have to take them out to pasture every day. So instead they have cows. I guess they're gone right now. I don't see the cows. They have a really nice view though from their property. So here's their kitchen. And there's their daughter. Aquí está la cocina. They made us a really delicious meal. Mira, the lights are already working. Yay! Allá está la luz. They kind of flash sometimes at first. But then, oh my gosh, here's their son Ali. He's a really good artist. Muéstrame sus obras allá. Oh, qué bonitos. So he made some camionetes. Muy bonitos. So we had a really good meal here. And this is different. We put another kind of light. They had extra lights. They have 4 rooms and we only have 3 lights. So they had one lying around. So we connected it and gave them a switch. And then we'll go into the next room where I think Jason's explaining the guarantee and kind of how to take care of everything.
Bueno, quiero decir de la batería. La batería no.
Oh, jeez. So that's one of their bedrooms, and here's their other bedroom. Oh yeah, está Nacho. Believe it or not, he's a really helpful worker. He's just taking a little rest right now. But he's from... Sí.
Un poco malo, fíjate, me duele el cuerpo. La gripa.
¿Sí? ¿Usted?
Sí.
Oh, Dios, ya. ¿Sabes que el fumador se hace más peor, sí?
Sí.
Oh, dear.
Ya no voy a fumar.
Okay, ojalá que sí. So Nacho works for FMDR de Nopac, and he kind of he drives us. Ustedes manejarnos en cualquier lugar, ¿sí? Uy. He's also really helpful for putting up everything. Oh, so we had to put the line outside. So he strung it outside and he had some extra hose, so he put it over the wire to protect it from the sun. Oh, one other thing interesting about this place. Oh my gosh, here are more cute puppies. Look at them. I'll break my heart. He wanted the battery outside to protect, so he thought his kids wouldn't get into it as much. So he has a little garage here. So we put the battery outside, and then the charge controller is still inside. But it's safe because he said that this doesn't really get any rain or anything. So we thought that since that's what he asked for, it would seem pretty reasonable to do. So yeah, it's a really beautiful day in a beautiful area, as you can see.